First, on the headline index, very strong opening. So the market, it seems, has digested that US Fed rate hike and now has moved on up about 50 odd points. 19,820 is where we're at. So let's see if this consolidation phase has ended and the market has resumed its upside. Straight to the top gainers. Cipla, as I said, margin guidance has been upped and the stock is up 5%. Bajaj Finance up 2% after raising their guidance. Infosys, L&T, a couple of other stocks that are trending in the green right now. And Axis Bank, the street actually likes some part of those numbers for 0.7% higher for Axis Bank. In fact, it has company in a lot of banks. ICICI Bank has been gaining ever since its numbers. So that stock is in the green. HDFC Bank is contributing. And a couple of other financials like SBI Life are also in the green. So what's dragging the market lower? M&M, now down about 4%. As I mentioned, capital allocation policy fears have resurfaced. So down about 4.5%. Tech Mahindra is the other one, very weak set of numbers, down 4% there. Tata Consumer Products down 1.5%. HUL, Britannia, Nestle down about 0.3%. Nestle comes out with its numbers as well. So ahead of that, slightly tepid over there. Kotak Mahindra Bank just a tad bit in the red, nothing alarming. But M&M is really your top loser at the moment, down about 4.5%. RBL Bank, let's pull that one up and see how it is reacting to the news flow. The last time I checked, RBL Bank was in the green, but that too has now moved into the red. But plenty in the broader market.
Well, that's right, Sonia. RBNL, the government seems to be the best investor out there. The stock has run up multiple times. Now they're doing an OFS, so they're looking to sell some stake. That's why that's a bit of an overhang for a couple of sessions, down close to around 4%. I'll be interested to see what kind of demand comes in from there, because the sector's clearly got all the eyeballs. The other ones that are in focus is Olectra Green Tech. Last few sessions, it went from around 1,450 to around 1,100 approximately. Now it's up close to around 5% as well, so keep an eye out on that one. Suzlon, 2 sessions it was in lower circuit. I think now there is some release of that lower circuit, so that's holding with a cut of close to around 0.5%. But last couple of days, there was no exit. So let's see how that one goes from here. Vesuvius, as we pointed out, the numbers were very, very good. Volume's not very, very high. I think it's only around 35,000 shares that have been traded on both exchanges. Actually, now 50,000 shares, but those numbers look very, very good. Stock almost locked in upper circuit, and this is the second consecutive quarter that we're seeing a beat. I recall at the end of last quarter as well, the stock went up close to 20%. So that one gets a thumbs up. Godfrey Phillips, that one's up close to around 11%. So good going on that stock. And from the pharma pack, I think Sonia mentioned as well, you have Cipla that's now flying away up close to around 7%.
Okay, well, 65 points on the Nifty is what we have, 19,845, and things are looking, pretty good. So take Mahindra and RVNL and Mahindra are some of the losers. By the way, look at AMC stocks, right? I mean, look at HDFC AMC. It is down 1.6%. It's coming up with volumes right now. Maybe we could look at UTI AMC, Nippon AMC, and a few others. I don't know if this has got to do with the announcement. Not really, actually. UTI AMC is, if anything, higher by a little bit. Nippon is the other one, which is going to come up on your screen. Tata Consumer is down about 1%. Jyoti Laboratories, which has had a fantastic run post the numbers, is coming up with a slight pullback as well. What else? I think Vesuvius, Nigel detailed out, fleshed out quite nicely. 32.15, that's the big mover today on big volumes. It's limit up, daily limit up. BSC Limited is up 3%. It's coming up with large volumes for this point in the day, 790 on that one. I think we mentioned Godfrey Phillips. Olectra, I think, was up 10% yesterday. It's up another 5% this morning. And Cipla is flying away. So the market likes Cipla, Revlimid, no Revlimid, that's the one-off which has contributed to bulk of the beat for Cipla in the US business. The market's bidding that stock higher at this point in time. Yesterday, names like Lovable, Rupa, Lux Industries, Dollar, the innerwear companies, they were all up between 8 and 12, 13%. And I can spot one of them, at least for now, Lux Industries, which is coming up with about a 6% pop at this point in time. Tangamail is another one where there is follow-up buying after earnings last couple of, 2 or 3 days before. So that's another one. Markets looking solid with about 75 points in terms of gains.